Hey guys, this is Brian from Carving is Fun. I figure I'm going to do a fun little video here. I'm in the middle of taking off the compound on my leather strop here, and I'm going to replace it with new compound. I've had several of you guys ask me how I do it, so I figured I'd make a quick little video. I got about halfway done taking off some of the old compound, and figured I might as well show you what I do. So what I usually like to do is I grab my heat gun, and a cloth or rag, something that can actually take some friction when you're rubbing it. Regular paper towels tend to fall apart on me, so this is like the blue shop towels that I use. They're more cloth-like. So what I like to do is just heat up the leather a little bit, just enough to melt the wax. You'll start seeing it change color just a little bit. You don't want to overheat it or you might start cooking the leather. But you'll start seeing the leather start getting shiny, and just go and once that happens, just go and wipe it off. You'll see it like start building up there. And just repeat this until you get it all the way done. Now you're probably not going to get it to the same level of or the same like color of the leather, but you will get a good amount of it off there. I'm not seeking to get it all the way clean. Like right now, this is probably good enough. And then, where'd it go? Then to apply new compound. So let's take whatever compound I have. Usually what I like to do is heat up the strop just a little bit, get it warm, and at the same time get the stropping compound a little bit warm as well, and just kind of smear it on like a crayon here. You'll see it just goes on pretty easily. Once you get warmed up, it allows it to apply quickly. The green stuff is a little bit easier to apply. Um, it's more waxy, and I personally like it a little bit better that way. You can use the other colors you want. Green is really just the only one that I really use. You can probably just do it with your finger too, just smear it around. There we go. Get it as even as you can. You don't need a lot of compound at all. You can see I have little nicks in there for me doing stupid stuff with my strop. And get it all over your fingers. I'll just wash off, don't worry. Just get running under hot water. And then basically now your strop is all set again. Run your knife over it a couple times. Make sure that you're pushing that compound into the leather, and you're good. Super simple, super easy, super quick. There you go. And that's usually what I end up doing. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.